So, believe it or not, it's budget builds. We uploading once again. That's fat. Alright, so where was I going with this? Guys, I don't know if I'm just a changed man or what happened, but I'm out of a Honda. Yep. Just stay on the right side of the road here. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, got a couple things on the agenda today. I'll show you guys the Jeep when I stop driving, obviously, but I gotta do a couple things, flush out the radiator. So yeah, I gotta work on that. Just flush it out, put new coolant in. Obviously, gotta change out this steering wheel. Got one right there. And then after I lifted it, I noticed a couple bushings. I've seen better days, so I already got all the parts. Just drive to the shop right now. Keep you guys updated. See you guys there. Alright, sorry to disappoint you guys. We're not at the shop just yet, but I wanted to give you guys an idea of why I'm changing these bushings, because it sounds like there is some metal on metal, meaning there's like no bushing. So we're basically just gonna install some bushings today. But I'll give you guys, I want to see if I can give you guys an idea. So when we're gonna hit this bump right here, you might be able to hear it. Quiet, please. Okay guys, so we have all of our stuff from the auto parts store, and this I actually picked up used. It has a little bit of wear and tear, so I kind of got it for a good price, but we'll see. We'll see if I can install it. Oh wow, didn't see that. Nice. Anyways, so we got to do a radiator flush. Probably gonna do it twice because it's actually pretty gunked up. These are gonna be the I forgot. One of the bushings, anyways. These are the bushings right here, and then this is the tie rod end. So just gonna replace the whole thing, and then the steering wheel. We'll see what we're gonna start off with. So I just pulled off the first frame mount, and then the second one I started pulling it off. Get a light under here, and I pulled off one side, and the sway bar like dropped. So now this one's kind of at a terrible angle. I don't know what I'm even showing you guys. Right there, it's really hard to get in there with the impact, so I might have to do that with hand. We'll see. Alright guys, well, being the rookie that I am, I got it off in hand, and this thing shot down at me. Obviously, I don't know what it was I was thinking, but let's see what the bushings look like. If we just did this for no reason, or if they're actually toast. Hashtag budget builds can't film. Alright guys, so here's the bushings. They're pretty worn actually. Alright guys, lo and behold, got it off. Turns out we're probably gonna have to change all of them, which is not necessarily a problem. It's just that I don't have these ones right here at the lower end. I have this one and the one on the frame. So I'm just gonna change these ones really quickly right now, and then I'm gonna run to the parts store and get these ones, and then we'll be done for bushings hopefully. Yeah, so it comes on much easier. Not easier, but like it's better. New bushings are better. Rip English. So now we're just gonna install it back to this, but I think I'm just gonna use actually a hand tool so it doesn't move from the correct position. Okay guys, and just like that, Got some new bushings there, new bushings there, new bushings there, new bushings there. Now we just gotta put these ones in instead of those, because these are pretty crusty and these are not crusty. And we should be back on the road, but you never know how working on cars goes. It could take another 5 hours, for me at least. Alright guys, so now we're gonna try and replace the tie rod end. Okay guys, so it's about an hour later and the new tie rod end is installed. Nice. Alright guys, draining the coolant. Got it all over myself. But this isn't a clean thing to be doing, so I'm not really too upset. I'm already dirty as heck, so just gonna finish it draining and then we're gonna start putting in the coolant flush stuff. Got our radiator flush. Finally drained all of it out. Took forever. Let's read the instructions. Shake well before use. 656. Gonna let her run for 10 minutes and then we're gonna do another flush. Hopefully the coolant light doesn't come on. Okay guys, 7:07, and we're gonna shut her off and drain it and do it one more time because that never hurt nobody to do it extra time. Okay guys, so I don't know why it took so long to drain this time, but look what it drained out. This is why you do this kind of stuff, guys, if you haven't done like flush or something for a long time. This wasn't that bad of a, I mean it had a little bit of rust in it, but this is after just water and the flush. We're gonna do it one more time, see what happens. Alright guys, 10 minutes has been up, second flush. Shut her off and let's just get this done because I've been here for like 5 hours. Okay guys, so time check, 10:14. I've been here for 8 hours, but at the end of the day, we really did get stuff done. Finally done. It's still a mess in here. I still gotta clean up. Always keep your workspace clean. But finally, I'm done. This day's in the books. It's time to clean up. Let's get her out of here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like stuff like this, if you like Jeeps, if you like Hondas, anything, we'll be here, we'll be posting more. Thanks you guys. Once again, I gotta clean up, go to sleep, I gotta work in the morning. Subscribe, like, comment. Tell me what you guys think of this Jeep and the wheels, honestly, the Rubicon wheels, because I'm not sure. A lot of people like them, a lot of people don't. Actually, I don't really have friends, so not a lot of people like them, not a lot of people don't. Anyways, thanks for watching. Till next time.